Please, come in. Konnichiwa, Major. Oh, good morning, Honda. How are you? I'm good. What about you? I'm fine, thanks. So, is there anything going on? As a matter of fact, there's nothing happening. Apparently, U.S. Air Force Colonel Clinton is at Narita Airport. He's waiting for you to pick up. Now. Okay, I'll go. Arigato, sir. Have a nice day. Hey, Johnson, you're like 30 minutes late. Sorry, Clinton. How's your flight? It was okay. I just came here from Las Vegas. Are you stationed in Nellis? Yep, of course. I'm just helping pilots how to fly those F-22 Raptors. And also, that place is so cool that it has the Thunderbirds air show. Okay, Clinton, come on, let's get in the car. Someone help me!